Babylon girl, Babylon girl.
Hello, we will talk about noise pollution. Noise pollution is the propagation of noise with harmful impact on the activity, human or animal life. We just talk about it because in our school every day we heard a lot of songs like music or screams, so it is cause a lot of problems and sometimes we don't know that.
Now we will see how is the noise pollution in the cafeteria.
Babylon girl, Babylon girl.
I can't understand. How is one class in our kitchens?
From my room to the world, yeah. Every tiny little thing.
We can see how is the noise pollution in the place where we keep our materials.
To myself that you won't be there, no. Cause all of my craziness is because of you.
The noise pollution in the human life are stress, depression, irritability, and lack of concentration.
Oh no, tell me what should I do, what should I do?
The noise pollution levels are increasing because we don't respect the environment of the rest of the people. Although noise pollution problems can seem insignificant, but it has serious consequences on our health. So instead to be selfish, we have to change the way to see the noise and be respectful.
Baby, I'm so sorry I let you on, it wasn't my intention. But when love is love.
Problem, it could be solved if we respected each other's space. I mean, if we use earphones in the street, we could low down the noise pollution. Or if you are a driver, you could try not using the klaxon in the street.
And it's real to get down in the nation. Cause all of my craziness is because of you. Oh, no.
Maybe in our classes of kitchen, we could try to listen music in low volume.
Baby, what should I do, what should I do?
We could annoy other people when we are making a lot of noise because they could be doing other important things. Even we could affect the people who have autism or other disability as a result of all the noise.
No, baby, no. I promise it won't be the last kiss.